In this video, we have been given a right angle triangle ABC and BD is perpendicular to AC and AD is 18, CD is 32. Then we have to find AB, BC and BD. So the first method, if this angle is theta, then this angle is 90 degree. So this angle, it will be 90 degree minus theta. So this angle, it will be again theta, and this angle, it will be 90 degree minus theta. So in triangle ADB and triangle BDC, we have angle ADB is equal to angle BDC, that is 90 degree, and angle DAB is equal to angle DBC, that is theta. So triangle ADB, it will be similar to triangle BDC. Hence AD by DB, it will be equal to BD by DC, and AD is 18 by DB, suppose X, it is equal to BD is X by DC is 32, and if we cross multiply, then 18 times 32, it will be X times X, and 18 times 32, it is X square. So X, it will be a square root of 18 times 32, and X, it is equal to a square root, and 18 is 9 times 2 times 32 is 16 times 2, and X is equal to a square root of 9 is 3 times a square root of 16 is 4 times a square root of 2 times 2 will be 2, and it is 24. So we get X is 24, and now in triangle ABD, AB square, it will be equal to BD square plus AD square by Pythagoras theorem. So AB square, it will be equal to BD is 24 square plus AD is 18 square, and AB square, it is equal to 576 plus 324, and AB square, it is 900. So AB, it will be equal to a square root of 900, that will be 30. So AB is 30, and in triangle BDC, BC square, it will be equal to BD square plus CD square by Pythagoras theorem. So BC square, it will be equal to BD is 24 square plus CD is 32 square, and BC square, it is 576 plus 1024, and BC square, it is 1600. So BC, it will be a square root of 1600, that will be 40. So BC is 40. And the second method, suppose BD is X, AB is A, and BC is B. Then by Pythagoras theorem, in triangle ABC, AC square, it will be equal to AB square plus BC square, and AC is 18 plus 32, that will be 50 square. It is equal to AB is A square plus BC is B square, and in triangle ADB, AB square, it will be equal to AD square plus BD square, and AB is A square, it is equal to AD is 18 square plus BD is X square, and in triangle CDB, CB square, it will be equal to CD square plus BD square, and CB is B square, it is equal to CD is 32 square plus BD is X square. And now we have 50 square is A square plus B square. We have 50 square is equal to A square plus B square, and 50 square, it is equal to A square is 18 square plus X square. It is 18 square plus X square plus B square is 32 square plus X square. It is 32 square plus X square, and it is 2500 is equal to 324 plus X square plus 1024 plus X square, and 2500, it is equal to 324 plus 1024, it will be 1348 plus X square plus X square, it will be 2X square. So 2X square, it will be 2500 minus 1348, and 2X square, it is 1100 52. So x square, it will be 1152 by 2, that will be 576, and x, it will be a square root of 576, that will be 24. So we get x is 24, and a, it will be a square root of 24 square plus 18 square, that will be 30, and b, it will be a square root of 24 square plus 32 square, that will be 40. And now the third method, if we make a circle around ABC, then in any circle, diameter makes an angle of 90 degree on the circle, and here we have angle ABC is 90 degree. That means AC, it will be diameter, that will be 2 times radius. And now in any circle, if AC is diameter, and if we draw a perpendicular BD on AC, suppose BD is X, AD is A, and CD is B, then X, it will be a square root of A times B, because we have a circle and AC is diameter, and BD is perpendicular to AC, and BD is X, AD is A, CD is B, and if we extend BD to M, then BD, it will be equal to MD, that will be X, by symmetry. So MD, it will be X. And in any circle, if two chords AB and CD intersect at O, then AO times BO, it is equal to CO times DO. So here BD times MD, it will be equal to AD times CD, and it is X times X is A times B, so X, it will be a square root of A times B. So here BD, it will be a square root of 18 times 32, that will be 24. Then we can find AB, that will be a square root of 24 square plus 18 square, that will be 30, and we can find BC, that will be a square root of 24 square plus 32 square, and it will be 40.